Okay, good morning. So we will now try to solve another problem again. So let's start. So this is the problem. So but before we read and before we start the discussion, please guys, if you already watched the video, pause the video, solve the problem on your own, guys. Another reminder, please do not watch the video, study with the video. Okay, so let's start. So before we read the problem, what we're going to do, we have to draw our framework, and then every time we read a certain value here, we're going to put that value in our framework so that we can easily visualize the problem. Okay, according to this international something like this, and then a typical business traveler spends an average of $281 per day in Chicago. So that is talking about the particular business traveler in Chicago, the average. So that's the population mean, 281. Okay, this cost includes the hotel, the meals, the car rentals, and the incidentals. A survey of 65 random samples. So 65, so that's the sample size. Put the sample size there. Selected the business travelers who have been to Chicago on business recently is taken. Okay, for the population mean, so very simple, 281. So this is just a confirmation that we got the correct population mean per day. What is the probability of getting a sample average? So from the 65, what's the probability of getting a sample average of more than 273? So that is our sample mean of greater, and then if the population standard deviation is 47, so that's the population standard deviation. And then what is the formula that we're going to use? So the formula that we're going to use is the formula, since the population standard deviation is given, we're going to, and the population size is not given, we're going to use this formula here. Just simply encode the value here, and then just solve using your calculator. That's negative 1.37. So we're going to solve the probability. So again, you plot this curve here, and then take note that we're talking about the greater than. Okay, the keyword here is the more than 273, more than this sample mean. So in this case, more than or greater than, we're going to go to the right. More than, more, right. Okay, so are we going to get this probability value here? So you use your calculator once again, and then make sure that you are in the stat mode. If you're not in the stat mode, you press in the mode, and then you press in stat, and then you can simply click 1, and then you press AC. Okay, so this is our Z score. So you go shift stat 5, and then what we're going to do, the P or the R. Okay, so since our concern here is the probability to the right, we're going to use the letter number 3 or the R. Okay, to the right, and then just simply write the Z-score, and then just press equals. Okay, so that is the probability. Okay, please guys, study the video, do not watch the video. Okay, good luck and God bless.